Day 5. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, okay? A 2-mile walk would have took me out some months ago, but I'm doing it, and that's growth. Today, I'm thankful for my health, for the body that may not move as fast as 16-year-old drill team Dom did, but it still gets the job done. Because, baby, the way these knees be popping these days, I had to pray mid-stride going up that hill. But seriously, I'm grateful that I can move. I remember when taking care of myself felt like punishment. Now it feels like peace. Drinking my supplements, doing my at-home workouts, and getting some fresh air. It's all me choosing myself on purpose. This body has carried me through the long days, the late nights, the heartbreaks, and the breakthroughs. And yeah, I still complain sometimes, but I'm learning to give myself grace as well. Because being healthy isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And let me tell you, I am consistently tired, but I'm consistently showing up. So today, I'm thankful for my health, for my body, my mind, and the little voice in my head that says, girl, we're not giving up. We're just catching our breath.